Mari-Mann Herbs, Chef Brian with the Gooder Cooking Show. Going to show you a couple quick items today. But, first off, before we get too far, as always, got to say hi, Alan. Shut up. Shut up. Yeah, great. Nice sous chef. Hey, couscous. Love the stuff. Simple. Many different things that you can do with couscous. You can serve it hot, you can eat it cold, you can do all kinds of flavor profiles with it. Today we're going to use Gooder and the Gooder starch seasoning. And what we're going to do with it is, I'm going to show you how simple it is to cook couscous. And then you're going to come back for video later on, and I'm going to show you the end product, because it's got to sit and steep for a little while. And I promised you only 3 or 4 minute video. So, with that being said, mirepoix, carrots, onions, celery, the essence of all cooking. 1 part onions, half part celery, half part carrot. Chop it, dice it, shred it, it doesn't matter. That's the essence of everything that we in the culinary world believe in, is how we base flavors from. It's the building block. So what I've got is, in my little pot here, I've got vegetable stock and a little bit of mirepoix. What we're going to do is, got a cup of couscous, I got a cup of boiling stock, vegetable. I'm going to add a little bit of Gooder, because remember, if you cook with Gooder, your food is always going to have love in it. Just saying. Alright, and then we're going to add in a little bit of our starch seasoning. Only can be found at Mari-Mann Herbs. We're going to add in a little bit of our starch seasoning. You want to add barbecue flavor, you want to add spicy, you want to add super Gooder to it. Whatever makes you happy. That's the beauty of cooking, having fun with it. I got boiling stock. Pour it over the top of my couscous. Give it a stir. And you're saying, hey chef, where can I get one of those deli containers? You can get one of those at Mari-Mann Herbs if you come in and enjoy some soup. And by the way, on the stove right now cooking, because we cook here at Mari-Mann Herbs. I've got Chef Brian's super Gooder chili going on, and I've got my creamy tomato soup that both can be found in the freezer here at Mari-Mann coming up next week. So stick around, come back for the next video. We'll show you the end product, and we're going to have another one for you as well. Hey, remember, cooking Gooder always has food that's full of love, and always thank a veteran. See ya, guys.